thinking about buying a lake home as a short-term rental or investment property in Minnesota, you're not alone. But most people underestimate what actually makes these properties profitable. And if you miss the details, your dream investment can turn into a maintenance nightmare. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. I help buyers identify high-performing opportunities, especially in unique markets like lake properties. Let's talk about what really matters if you're buying a lake home to generate income. First, features that drive demand. One of the biggest hidden gems is to have a grandfathered boathouse. If it sits close to the water, chances are you wouldn't be allowed to build it today due to setback regulations. That makes it a major differentiator for renters and a premium feature you can market. Next, maintenance equals profit. Lake homes take more wear and tear. Moisture, weather, and sun exposure break down siding, windows, and roofing faster. If you don't stay ahead of this, your costs go up and your reviews go down. That directly impacts your income. Now let's talk about something investors often overlook: the crawl space. If the lake home has one and it's not encapsulated, moisture can lead to mold and odor issues. And in a rental, that means bad reviews. Encapsulation helps protect the home and creates a better guest experience. Then there's the lake itself. This is huge for ROI. Is it a recreational lake? Can you boat, swim, fish? What's the water quality like? Is it quiet or busy? The better the lake experience, the higher your occupancy and nightly rates. Also check local regulations. Not all areas allow short-term rentals, or they may have restrictions. This is something you need to verify before you buy, not after. And finally, seasonality. Can this property generate income year-round, or is it only a summer play? The more months you can rent it, the stronger your return. Bottom line, buying a lake home as an investment can be incredibly profitable, but only if you choose the right property in the right location with the right strategy. If you want help identifying opportunities that actually perform, not just look good online, let's talk.